Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch you need to chain multiples of 15 plus 6. So I'll start by chaining 36. So now that we've made this foundation chain, on the 7th chain from a hook I'll make 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right there to the 7th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. And this will be row 1. Now I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into the 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. And now I'll chain 1, I'll skip 1 chain into this last chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, I'll chain 1, then through the first double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, I'll skip this first 1 chain loop, and through the second 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 4. Now through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Through the next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. And now I'll chain 4. And through his last loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 2. Now right here through his first loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 6. Now through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 6. Now I'll skip his next double crochet chain, and through his next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 6. I'll skip this first 2 chain loop, and through his second 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, Then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 6, and through his last loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through the same loop I'll make a slip stitch. I will chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.